Assalamu alaikum, yani Tatu Jigro. Paran, chapter New Empires and Kingdoms, chapter Dahim Chiya, History Hund. आज से इस रात 3 सवाल करमित आज करो चूरिम सवाल यमुक what were the new administrative arrangements during this period? Jawab: the new arrangements in the field of administration are as a few important administrative posts were made hereditary. Sometimes one person could hold more than one post. For instance, besides being a Chanda Naika, Harishana was a Kumar Matya and a Sandhi Vigrahika. Question number 5. What do you think Arvind would have to do if he was acting as Samandar Gupta? Jawab Muk Lekha he had to march solemnly in splendid robes to reveal his mistakes and wield the silver paper wrapped sword with gusto. He had to sit on throne and play a veena and recite poetry. He had to fight several battles. He had to keep Harishina, a poet of Sanskrit, in his court. Question number 6. Do you think ordinary people would have read and understood the prostrate? Give reasons for your answer. Answer: no. I do not think ordinary people would have read and understood the prostrate because they were composed in very long sentences of Sanskrit, which must have been difficult for ordinary people to understand. Here's question number 6. Winch Adbeti Varya Kinsa, Varya Sawal, the Yum, Inshallah Ramaga Zindagi, Vato Tamane Piat is Bay, Magar Victoich, Guzerishia, Ketuika Jokum, Nam Sawal, Suri, Ligzo Kabi Piat, the Patkari Yad, Youth Exam, Toin Katarka Bani, Asan, Bakish Shukriya.